Welcome to Class Connect Study Series with Yusuf Arikewuyo. Today we shall be looking at the derivation of the equations of motion. To start with, we need to recall that displacement can be mathematically defined as the product of average speed and time. That is, displacement s will be equal to u plus v divided by 2 multiplied by t, with u representing initial speed of velocity, v representing final speed of velocity, and t representing time. And this gives the first equation of motion. Also recall that acceleration a is defined as the rate of change of velocity. Thus we have a equals v minus u divided by t. And if we rearrange this, we shall have v minus u will be equal to at. Making v the subject of the formula, we have v equals u plus at, which gives the second equation of motion. As a recap, s equals u plus v divided by 2 multiplied by t was the first equation we derived, and now we have that v equals u plus at. As we know, s is equal to u plus v divided by 2 multiplied by t, and v equals u plus at. If we decide to substitute for v in s, we shall have that s will be equal to u plus at divided by 2, everything multiplied by t. And if we collect like terms, we shall have that s will be equal to 2u plus at divided by 2, everything multiplied by t. If we open up the bracket, we shall have that s equals 2ut plus at squared divided by 2. Let's take a new slide. So that we have s equals 2ut plus at squared, everything over 2, and we can split as follows: 2ut over 2 plus at squared over 2. And we shall have that s equals ut plus at squared over 2, otherwise written as s equals ut plus half at squared, which gives the third equation of motion. To obtain the fourth equation, also consider s equals u plus v divided by 2 multiplied by t, and also v equals u plus at. And as such, from v, we shall have that at will be equal to v minus u, so that t will be equal to v minus u over a. Now we shall substitute for t in s as follows, so that we have s equals u plus v divided by 2 multiplied by v minus u divided by a. And if we open up the bracket, we shall have s equals u plus v multiplied by v minus u for the numerator divided by 2a. So that, let's take a new slide, we shall have s equals, by expansion, uv minus u square plus v square minus uv divided by 2a. And if we collect like terms, we shall have that s equals Of course, uv minus uv will be gone, and we have left v squared minus u squared over 2a. And cross multiplying, we shall have that, let's take a new slide, v squared minus u squared will be equal to 2as. And if we rearrange, we have that v squared equals u squared plus 2as. And this gives the fourth equation of motion. As a recap, we already obtained that s equals u plus v over 2 multiplied by t as the first equation. Also, v equals u plus at as the second equation, and s equals ut plus half a t squared as the third equation. And finally, we obtain that v squared equals u squared plus 2as. When using this equation, usually we shall be given three parameters and we will be told to find the fourth parameters. We can use either or any of the equations to obtain our result. Thanks so much for watching. Hope to see you in our next online class. Please do not forget to subscribe and click on the notification button. Thanks so much.